In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Tabletop Simulator on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, then we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So what you need to do is go to the Steam website. Don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it over here. So quickly search up the game Tabletop Simulator. After that we are going a little bit down and there you will find the game Tabletop Simulator for €19.50. Quite expensive, but don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Here we are going to search up this game again, Tabletop Simulator. Now once you have done that, select the games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. As you can see, we have a PC version over here and this text is marked green, so this game can be activated in our country. This is very important, so make sure you are checking this before clicking on the game. Now once you have found one, then select it and the game page will be opened. As you can see, we can already buy this game for just €1.54 compared to the Steam price of €19.50. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now the next step is to purchase this game on this website for just €1.54 and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.